In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and host a meeting through the Zoom platform. Once the meeting is created, I will also share how to send the invitation to all of your students to join through an Alma message. Step 1 is to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, you have reached your profile page. This profile page gives you a lot of options on what you need to do next. In order to host a meeting, oddly enough, you will select Join a Meeting or Schedule a Meeting. Once you schedule a meeting, you can fill out all the fields. Keep in mind, though, that there may be a cap or limitation on the duration of this first meeting you're having. In this example, I will pretend I am a kindergarten teacher having her first meeting with her students. Select a future date, the time, and the duration. The time zone is central. If this is a meeting you are having every week or day at the same time, you can select recurring meeting, but there's no need since this is our first initial meeting. Make sure you do not require a meeting password, because then it will be just an additional step information piece for your families to have. It's just easier that way. You can have your video on and the participant's video on or off as well. If you select on by default, the host or participant can have the option of turning it off once the meeting starts. Because of the great demand during this time, Zoom suggests that you do not use the telephone and rather the computer audio. I would also recommend selecting computer audio when you are scheduling this meeting. Make sure you have the students not join before you join. This might be an option to check because it might be loud on their end. And this might be helpful for when some students are not able to join at that time, that they can watch a pre-recorded message from you. At this point, you can go ahead and start this meeting if you choose to, but rather we're going to select copy the invitation so that we can copy and paste into an Alma message. This is what will be copied into the Alma message. Have your other tab opened for your classroom page for Alma. Message class. Make sure you include parents. Title it. And paste. Make sure you have selected Send Me a Copy and hit Send. Thank you for watching. Good luck!